I have got another super quick and easy rock painting idea that you can do with your paint pens. Now, some people really have a hard time with drawing straight lines or their lettering, so this one is perfect. We are literally going to do a pointillism style rock. I don't know if you remember the term pointillism from back in the day when you took art classes, but it's just, we're gonna put down a whole lot of dots and it's gonna make a beautiful rock. So as you can see here, I'm just working my way across the rock, placing my dots down. I'm kind of overlapping where the colors meet. You could do this all one color. You can do as many different colors as you want. But with these water-based paint pens, you can kind of overlap while the paint is wet and you'll get a little bit of an in-between color, I guess you could say, at the intersections where the two colors meet. But just go back and forth until you've filled up a good portion of your rock with your colored background. Let this dry completely. Okay, now we're gonna come back with our white, and I'm gonna start with my middle letter because it helps with your spacing, and I'm just doing very quick capital letters. I'm just putting a simple dot down so that I can space it on my rock. Once you have these on here, I am dotting. I know it's moving fast, but I am leaving just little dots. Once it's on there, just keep going back and forth with dots over these lettering, and you will end up with a really cute word rock. You don't have to have good handwriting for this. It looks really fun when it's done. If you want, you can add a little heart on here. I do that at the end real quick. And I'm gonna go ahead and seal this and place it out in my kindness rock tree. So if you struggle with lettering or ideas, give this one a go.